Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU M6T and let me share with you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down and tap on the display and brightness. As you can see here we've got auto lock options, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from we can choose, so we can set 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes, or we can set never, so it means that this device will never black out. So right now we've got 1 minute applied, and in order to change it simply tap on the time you'd like to use. So I will pick for example 10 minutes, and as you can see it immediately changes right here, so it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your MEIZU M6T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.